Hi guys, I hope you all are doing really well. So in this video I am going to talk about all the accessories which I use with my iPad Pro. So iPad is already a really powerful machine, but to enhance its experience further, I would recommend using some of the accessories. You can buy all those accessories by going on the links I put in the description. So let's begin with the video. So guys, let's start with the basics. Out of the box we get a 18-watt charger to charge this massive 10,000 mAh battery. So in my experience it takes around more than 2 hours to charge this iPad completely with the stock charger. Here you go, as you can see. I hope it focuses. But the issue with this iPad supports fast charging up to 29 watts. You can buy either the Apple's proprietary 29 watt Mac charger, or what I have done is I have bought a third party charger which is of a brand called AMX. So this is a 65-watt charger which is huge. You can charge 4 devices at one time, and as you can see it has a power delivery port, so it will work with other USB-C compatible devices, and these are USB-A ports to charge other devices. These are compatible with 18 watts, and this is up to 45 watts. Charger will charge your iPad from 0 to 100 in approx 1 hour or 1 hour 10 minutes. So it is almost 50% faster as compared to the stock charger. And now I want to show you the screen protector which I am using. I don't think you can tell, but I am using a matte screen guard, and let me show you. Without a matte screen guard or a glossy tempered glass, as you can see on Face ID housing how shiny it is, and it reflects like a mirror, but on the matte screen guard it doesn't reflect like that much. And also when you are writing with Apple Pencil, this matte screen guard gives you a feeling that you are writing on something which is similar to paper. So let's move ahead. As you can see here, I am using a cover made by a company known as ESR. You guys might be familiar with this one. So this cover is very nice, as it has capability to hold iPad at different angles, and also you have a slot for pencil here. So let me demonstrate. The pencil goes this way, and it has the sleep and wake functionality, as it has magnets. Also this is compatible with, as you can see from the camera housing, the new 2020 iPad Pro. Let's move ahead. One of the basic accessories for iPad is the Apple Pencil. It's very nice and sturdy. It has a touch sensitive button which you can double press to change different pens. It works flawlessly with this iPad, and as you can see the iPad is showing the battery of Apple Pencil, and you can charge this pencil by just snapping it there. It has magnets. I have made a lot of notes with this pencil, as I am a student and I primarily make notes on my iPad only. And if you want to see a video on digital note making and how I make my notes, you can drop a comment down below and I'll make a separate video regarding it. I have made notes handwritten and in text format, and I am using the app called Notability and OneNote. As you can see, I have made the script of my videos on OneNote also using this Apple Pencil. So it's a very nifty feature, and you can buy Apple Pencil if you are a student or a content creator and want to enhance your experience of the iPad. Another crucial accessory for the iPad is the USB-C hub. As you can see here, it fits into the iPad's USB-C, and you can increase the storage of your iPad or connect external storage devices and stuff like that. It has a USB-C on one side and USB-A on another, so you can easily transfer data between your MacBook, computer or anything else, and your iPad. So as you can see, I have slotted one micro SD card and one full size SD card, and it fits perfectly. Also, it has a slot for USB 3, as you can see here, and this is a thumb drive which goes like that. So you can attach all the three accessories at one time, but only one accessory works at a time. So this is a drawback of this USB hub. You can buy more expensive ones which support multiple device connections at one time. So now as you can see, only one SD card is showing right here, 128 GB. iPad users often complain about lack of storage. I also have a 64 GB iPad Pro. So to increase the storage, I use external storage devices, because if you upgrade storage by going with Apple, then it's a lot of money. So you can use external devices like hard drives and thumb drives and attach them to USB-C of your iPad Pro. So I have this transient hard drive of 1 TB. It supports USB 3, and I slot it on the USB hub, and then it works with the iPad. I also have this USB-C drive which has a USB-A on one side and USB-C on another, as you can see, and it works perfectly. This is a 512 GB SanDisk ultra fast drive. So these accessories help to increase your iPad storage. Sorry for the poor quality of video guys, my camera's battery died on me, so I have to use an alternate device. Now let's move ahead. Now I am going to show you the AirPod Pros, which are one of the best accessories for your iPad, especially in terms of audio accessories. And as you can see, they work seamlessly. iPad also shows the battery percentage here. Now let me show you how AirPod Pros switch between multiple Apple devices seamlessly. So if I play music on my iPad, AirPods are automatically connected to the iPad and they are playing the music from the iPad. But if I play any music or content or receive a call on my iPhone, and now as you can see, I have a message that AirPods are connected to my iPhone, and they automatically switch. So you don't have to go to settings every time and then reconnect to a newer device to use your earphones. So now let's move ahead with external power supply, and for that I am using this Realme power bank, which is rated at 20,000 mAh, and it can charge your iPad almost 2 times in one single charge, because your iPad has 9700 mAh battery, the 12.9-inch model which I have, and it also has a USB type C hub here and two USB type A, and it supports 18-watt fast charging for the iPad. So that were all the accessories. Do comment your favorite ones below. I hope you found all those accessories helpful, and as I said earlier, if you want to buy those, links are in the description. And also guys, let me know in the comments what topic next you want me to cover, and also like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.